Hey guys, what's up? I just got this portable tire inflator from Amazon and I thought I'd open it up with you and take a first look at it so we can see what it looks like. I'll just talk about the quality, what I think of it, and we'll try to run it too and see how it all works. Okay, so let's just pull everything out of the box here and put that there. Okay, so we have the hose. Feels pretty well made. This sort of has like a silicone-y, rubbery feeling to it here, and that is the connection port there. And then we have this kind of typical looking, this reminds me of like what I'd use to inflate basketballs or bike tires, which is great because I need it for a bike tire. And then over here we have like additional accessories. It looks like this has a car charger for it, a USB-C cord. Then we have these additional attachments. And then we have a bag. So that is something everything can go in afterward. And we have our user manual. Okay, great. Now let's take a look at the main body of this. Pretty great looking, feels pretty high quality. I'm going to go ahead and peel this thing off the front. This is always so satisfying, right? And it never stays, nothing ever stays as clean as when you first pull those plastic pieces off. Okay, so we have on this end here, which, yeah, I'm wondering which way you would stand this. I guess it doesn't matter. But we have, okay, let me turn this. This is the way it's supposed to go. That's the face up side. We have the power button. That's probably for the flashlight there. We have an increase, decrease for power, and I'm assuming that's for our mode. And then that's got to be the flashlight. We have USB-C, USB-C, and then this other charging port. And then, of course, the place where the air is going to flow through. So let's go ahead and power it on, see if it came charged. It'd be nice to be able to use that. Yeah, I just held it for a few seconds and you can see there it's got the mode up here, I'm guessing. Let's see if this changes the mode down here. Car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, human? I wonder what that's for. I'm not really sure. Maybe that's just like general use if you need air for something. And then we have the PSI here, reading here, and then this is your battery, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and attach the hose. So this is going to screw on. Sorry, my bad there. Nope, I'm not getting it. Well, this is embarrassing. Okay. There we go. I need to like really hold that rubber piece down. There we go. There's probably like an easier way to do this. Not that it's not like difficult, but I'm just assuming I wouldn't need to turn that around. I can't flip the hose while I'm holding this camera in front of me, so I can't like turn the hose around a lot. All right. We have that tightened. I actually like this for gripping onto it because it goes easy on the fingers. Okay, let's go ahead. And, well, let's first take a look at the flashlight. So, yeah, that's what that is. Oh, okay. It's got a flashing option. And then a kind of random flashing option. And then off. Okay, so that's cool. I really like, so I have a camper van and I'm going to definitely want to keep this in a camper van, but I like that it has a flashlight because that just comes in handy in so many situations, right? Okay, let's go ahead and change this to, we have car, motorcycle. Let's try the ball. So that's going to have a setting of 8 and hit power. Okay, cool. let's try going to the bicycle setting, which has a setting of 45, and hit power. Pretty sweet. Definitely a little noise, but that's going to be with anything like that, right? Same when you're using one at like a gas station. But yeah, this seems pretty awesome. I could see why it would be really handy. I love how versatile it is. I love that I can use it for my bike tires. I can use it for my basketball. I can use it for my car tires, for my van tires, on the camper van. So definitely really versatile. Seems really well made and has several uses. So I think that's awesome. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.